Today I'm fixing a VOLTE 5000 watt 110 to 220 voltage inverter. This model is made in China and sold on many e-commerce platforms under different brand names. Many of these devices have an exaggerated rating or don't even quote the nominal rating, just its peak rating. My rule of thumb with these unknown brands is to divide the quoted rating by 2 to have a truer number. The device is completely dead. Before opening, I disconnect the device from the wall outlet. Remove the screws and off with the lid. I can see the transformer inside is at an angle, so it was probably dropped at some point. It seems to be okay, it just has crooked legs. I started to test the relays, but as I started, I could see that the incoming wires that were going to the breaker switch were stuck together. As you can see, the wires are fused due to being totally underrated. These wires go all the way back to the plug. The wires look like 16 gauge, which in theory can hold 10 to 13 amps if the quality is good, but I would guess that these questionable wires started to overheat with anything over 9 amps. The kitchen device that is connected to the inverter has a nominal current draw of 11.5 amps. So we should be okay using some new 12 gauge wire which can handle up to 20 amps. The 3-core flexible 12 gauge wire that I bought is difficult to find in general hardware stores. I went to one of those specialist electrical stores where the electricians go. A 2 meter or 6 foot piece of 12 gauge flexible 3-core wire was $5. A quick test after installing a new cable on both 220 volt outlets and all is good. The inverter has now been running under its normal load for a few weeks and is working perfectly. If the video was useful, please consider leaving a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.